Welcome everyone to the gardens. We have a beautiful day. This is just tremendous, and I think we ought to say thank God for this beautiful day. This is tremendous. This is beautiful. Normally we have rain and clouds and this and that, so this just turned out to be terrific. So today we're here to hear a lecture on Aristotle, which is one of the 34 figures that will be carved on the Parthenon wall. It'll be presented by Dr. Peter Gilbert, who has once again graced us with his presence to teach and educate all of us about Greece, Greek figures, Greek culture, and today about Aristotle, and doing it at the Gardens as part of our garden educational series. A little financial information. The budget for this magnificent museum quality frieze sculpture and restoring the grounds, you know, the cracks and the dents and the keeping everything up to date, putting in more security and lighting. The project is $750,000. Recently, the importance of this project was recognized by the state of Ohio, who passed legislation to award the Greek Gardens $250,000 just a few months ago. Those funds, along with the funds collected from other contributors of about $125,000 so far, will be added to the amount, which now totals about $400,000 in pledges and gifts. But of course, we still need $350,000 to go. So again, please join us in our journey, not only to this magnificent project, but to educating our youth and our community and this magnificent project. Show your participation, your love and philotimo to all of Northeast Ohio, Greek community, and Greeks around the world, what we're doing here in Cleveland. Again, thank you for being here. Spread the word on the Greek Garden on your social media sites and everywhere else, so people know how to follow us and where to reach us. Enjoy this wonderful day. We have just a few thank yous. Dan Hansen for being here filming from clevelandpeople.com. He has a beautiful website. Alex Mercatus, there he is, okay, is also taking pictures and filming. Thank you to our clergy for being here. It's very appreciated, and we hope we can get all of the churches and future dancers to perform at the Gardens. Jim Trackus, thank you. The state grant, which I just mentioned about, was spearheaded by my friend Jim Trackus, who is state rep. So again, thank you all. Before I forgot to mention, the president of the Cultural Gardens is here too, Dr. Wild Curry. So thank you for coming tonight. Thank you so much.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you again so much for coming. The Greek Cultural Garden is more than just a space. It is a symbol of love and hard work by the people who came before us and the community that keeps us alive. While some things in the future are not certain, the Greek Cultural Garden provides us with peace and a way to connect with our heritage and history. The figures on the frieze symbolize centuries of futures, even though that we interpret them to be from the past. Here in this special garden, we are responsible for keeping and sharing the stories of the ancient and modern Greeks, as well as Greek Americans. This garden, created by both Greek immigrants and their Greek American families, stands as a symbol of their pride and hard work. It is our mission to not only care for this sacred site, but also to teach others about its significance and the rich cultural legacy it represents. Today we have the chance to learn from the wisdom of Aristotle, thanks to the also passionate Peter Gilbert. Through his discussion, I want you all to take a step back and understand that one of those remarkably passionate and committed people has been honored today. His dedication to his Greek American identity and his contributions to both this city and his Patrida are truly inspiring. Before we go on, I want to thank the people who introduced me to this garden, Lou and Ann Frangos, and before him, Andrew and Faith Chikalis, and before them, the Grecian Cultural Garden Association of the entire Greek community of northeastern Ohio at the time, planted the seeds of passion that made this garden what it is today. Their dedication and vision have left a lasting legacy. So I'd like to first give them a round of applause. So as we move forward, I welcome you all to the Greek Cultural Garden, where we say the gift of Greece to civilization will be honored by people like you. So thank you all for being here.